Alright guys, so you see the title of the video. I'll go ahead and get started right now. Now the cheapest way to get sport mode enabled on your Charger or Challenger, doesn't matter if it's an SXT or an RT, doesn't matter. The cheapest way to do it is with this right here. This is what's called the Z Automotive Taser. Now when you buy this online, it already comes preloaded with all the data and information that you need. Okay, now if you have to use this, 99% of the time, your Charger or Challenger was equipped with a 2.65 gear ratio versus a 3.06. 2.65s are the ones that don't come with sport mode. 3.06 are the ones that come with sport mode. So you have the 2.65 gear ratio. Now back to the Taser. The Taser itself cost me about $269 USD. When I bought it a couple years ago, I checked today, it's about $249 USD. Right now, depending on what state you live in, you know, the taxes and fees and all that may be different, shipping costs, etc., all that may be different. Okay, now moving on. Guys, if you're not a brainiac when it comes to investing, then I recommend using this right here, Acorns. You can now receive a $5 bonus just for joining. All you need to do is sign up for a new Acorns account using the link below. You'll receive a $5 credit once you completed your registration. It's the easiest thing I've ever done. You literally just invest pennies on the dollar of each transaction. Super easy, takes 5 seconds. Go ahead and get started. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to the video. The best thing about the Taser is not only does it give you SRT settings, sport mode, and a few others, the best thing about it is it's not going to void your warranty after you enable its features. Again, it won't void your warranty after you enable its features. Now, is there an alternative to this? Absolutely. But you have to replace the rear end to a 3.06. You also have to replace the drive shaft for that new rear end. You now have to modify your PCM and TCM because your shifting points are now different. And you now have to update your Uconnect system so you can see the sport mode button illuminated on your dash. All that's going to cost roughly about 5, 6, 7, 8 grand talkless of getting it installed. All right, now here's another negative about that. Should you take your car to the dealership to get serviced, what's going to happen is if they have to flash it for any reason and reset it back to its factory settings, your VIN number is coded for a 2.65. So now you have to go back, turn around, and retune it. That way your car is in perfect synchronization. You have to worry about that continuously. That's a lot of extra. I wouldn't personally recommend doing that unless if you have the money for it or you have resources like that. 99% of us don't have resources like that. That's why I recommend this. Okay, now I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out Z Automotive for yourself, and you can input all your information with your car, year, trim, etc., and it'll tell you whether or not your Dodge is compatible. 9 times out of 10 it is going to be compatible. Okay, the next video that I'm going to do, I want to have you guys watch me step by step on how this thing gets installed and how I unlock all the features and all that. Okay, that's gonna be the next video that I'll release. Other than that, guys, that's all. Y'all be good. Take care.